Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to bulk edit prices on Shopify products. First, go to Products on the left toolbar and check the checkboxes beside the products that you want to bulk edit. Now click on Bulk Edit option on the right part. Here you can see the prices of your products under the base price. You can click on it, then type in the price that you want and hit on enter. Now you can see that the price you typed applied to all the products. Click on save once you are done. Now if you don't want them to have the same prices, you can just change them one by one on their respective columns, then hit on save. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.